Are you buying gold the first time? It's your short and practical gold investment how-to guide. What, how and why? These questions will be answered in this video. Welcome. I am Zoli CK. You are watching the Silver Ounce channel. You can own gold in several forms. Gold nuggets, gold jewelry and goldware, collector and investment gold coins, minted or cast investment gold bars, digital gold, ETFs and mining stocks. In this video we'll talk about investment gold coins, especially from a European viewpoint. We deal with bars in a separate video. You can see the world's most famous 1-ounce investment gold coins with their gross weight, gold purity and dimension data. These are widely known, easy to find to buy and easy to sell later in the EU and elsewhere. For an investment of a few thousand to a few €100,000, these provide the best value for money solution. According to international statistics, 80% of investment coins weigh 1 ounce. 1 ounce is equal to 31.103 thousandths of a gram. Because of the Anglo-Saxon tradition, the ounce weight measure and its fractions are used for smaller coins. Now let's take a closer look at a typical coin. What is usually indicated on the coins are as follows. The issuing country. The material, with the word gold or AU, which refers to gold. Silver coins have silver or AG writing. The purity, usually in 3 or 4 nines. 3 nines is 99.9% gold. Pure gold scratches easily. Some coins therefore contain extra alloying materials, such as silver or copper. The eagle, the sovereign and the Krugerrand are like that. The weight, which can also be a fraction of an ounce. These are mostly coins weighing half, 1/4, 1/10 and 1/20 of an ounce. Some of them are even heavier than an ounce. The weight of the Chinese Panda has been expressed in grams since 2016. The year of issue can also be seen on the coin. The nominal value given by a number and the currency makes it the legal tender of a country and is guaranteed by its government. The Libertad and the Krugerrand have no face value but are extremely common and popular coins. On the head or obverse side of the coin is a national symbol or a prominent person, and on the tail or reverse side is the theme. The Panda and the Kangaroo carry a new design every year, and this is where the opportunity to collect them appears. Their series, starting with the first coin, can be seen here as a taster. In addition to investment coins, there are many gold coins that are intended for collectors as well. They are often issued about a specific topic, usually once a year, with changing motif. Favorite topics are animals, lunar signs, or historical aspects. You can find a lot of information on the apmx.com website. Many people strive to acquire the entire series. Their market price includes a premium over the spot price. The premium increases over the years, but this is typically paid by individual collectors and buyers, not by dealers. To get started, stick mainly to the 10 types of coins suggested here. The price of gold constantly changes like currencies and does not move on weekends. We call this price the spot price. Hello. If you've enjoyed it so far, give it a like. Thanks. It is worth investing 5 to 15% of your savings in gold based on the market consensus. Gold is 6,000 years old money. The First Book of Moses, chapter 2, verse 12. The British sterling is 1,222 years old, the American dollar is 230 years old, and the euro is 23 years old. The smaller coin is more expensive per gram of gold. A gram and 1/10 of an ounce can be up to 10% more expensive than an ounce. Due to the fine motifs and small thickness of the coins, they are excellent against tungsten or copper filling. This can be a problem with bars. Did you know that 1 cubic centimeter of gold is 19.32 grams? Did you know that a cube with an edge length of 100 centimeters, that is 1 meter, is 19.32 tons of gold? Did you know that in the so-called metal versum, gold is not the most expansive element? My recommendations. Select the coin you would like to buy, then study its details on the mint's website, such as year, dimensions, weight, and design. The best choice is the one with the lowest premium above the spot price. It should also be a well-known, popular coin in your country, which is sold by many traders. Compare the prices of traders online in the domestic market and possibly in nearby countries. Call the seller about the coin and agree on the time of your visit. If you have the opportunity, buy 1 or half-ounce ones because of the good price-value ratio. Have a few pieces weighing 2 or 3 grams in the collection, in case of crisis times. Read about the history of the Hungarian pango. Buying and selling in many European countries is anonymous under 10,000 euros, but check the regulations first. Buy your first investment gold coin at a reputable store, in person. When you don't buy in a store, have a carat scale that weighs possibly up to thousands and a caliper for diameter and thickness. Sit in a busy, camera-covered area. Keep the coin in a capsule, do not leave your greasy fingerprints on it. And finally, here are some useful resources. The websites of the mints of the mentioned 10 main investment coins and 2 links to directories where precious metal dealers are listed by country. Useful info for getting started. Which investment coins do you like and why? Next time we'll talk about gold bars. Thank you for your attention. Follow the Silver Ounce channel. I was Zoli CK. Bye bye.